Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to download and install 7-Zip on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. 7-Zip is super useful, so let's get started. Go and open up a web browser. I'm just using Google Chrome, and go and search for 7-Zip like so and come to the website. 7-Zip. Talk on the homepage. You actually don't see the downloads here, so I like to go and get the most recent version, which should be showing here, and I'm going to go and get the 64-bit version as that's what my system is. Most systems will be. If you're unsure, you can check it in your computer, so click on download and it will shortly begin. Now all you need to do is come and open up your file. Explore Control Downloads on the left here and go and find the installer. Double-click on it and you'll go and get a Windows Security pop-up. Now you can go and choose the destination folder. Obviously leave it as it is and click Install. And just like that, it's now installed. Just to show you that it's installed, or come to a folder and right-click on it. I can then click on Show More Options and go and find 7-Zip and hover over it, and we've now got these options. Here it's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more,